Review time. Review. Review for you. This time I am doing the Acure Welcome to Hair Wellness Vivacious Volume Conditioner and Shampoo. And why? On my last quarantine grocery store run, I picked this up because I've actually done, I'll put it in the description, but I did a review on their brightening exfoliation face wash, and I'm obsessed with that. And I also used one of their brightening oils. Very, 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 very good stuff. I was surprised. I guess this is new. I don't know if they've been doing it for a while or whatever, but I was like, oh, they have a shampoo and conditioner and it's natural and all this good stuff in it. And so I'm gonna do it. So here, I didn't notice a lot of volume when I first used it. And so I was like, well, I guess I'll use the rest of it. Second time, washed and dried my hair. There's nothing else in it. And I don't know where this volume came from. If you watch on my other videos, you know, obviously I have thin hair, and I'm always looking for products that make my hair thicker. And I was like, even when I was washing, I started feeling, I'm like, what? I'm so confused, because the first time, not a huge difference. Second time, love it. The only thing I'm not in love with is if you do have dry hair, there's not a ton of moisture in it. But the volume is there. I'm glad I gave this a second shot. If I would have wrote it off and not used it the second time, I would have never had this, and I love it. So I alternate between shampoos and conditioners all the time and give my reviews. This one, I definitely recommend. I do not recommend it if you have dry hair. And I'm not a huge fan of the smell. It's mint. So if you're a fan of mint, but I'm in love with the way, the invigorating is the word you use, right? So the invigorating feel of mint, it always feels really good. So I love that. Another great thing is paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral-free, petroleum-free, formaldehyde. Is that another product? Ooh, cruelty-free. What else we got here? So yes, I am going to recommend this. If you have normal, thin hair, run out, buy this, use it once. If you don't notice it the first time, use it again, and you will. Love it. If you have dry, thin hair, I will find you something else. But I'm normal, thin hair girls, get it. Oh, oily thin too. I think this would work really good on oily thin because it's very cleansing. My hair did feel really, really clean. And the color's pretty. See you next time. Peace out.